Bit off track I am. Say 10 out of 10 for these trails, they are gorgeous. Not only gorgeous but risky, there's like a 50-foot drop that way. Take the easy line, I think. At least your indicators work.
Yeah. Most pointless feature. Yep. There we go.
Nice. Tight, there you got it.
Oh, it's meant that. So there. Oh,
Other ways, dear. Oh, so close. So he's performing really well for an unweighted truck. Slowly but surely.
third time's a charm.
Yeah, I think when you start going, I think, you know, face it and give it a bit of gas. Start with tip in. Trying a different line.
Ooh.
I think that's it. I think he's through. Yes! Bit of beans at the end.
Straight over the knuckles.
Nice. I'm obviously going to get up on the B road. Tricky. Side slant. Oof. Just. Oh! I was ready to catch that. Good effort. I was ready to catch that then. Turning into it, come on. Oh!
Ooh.
Hanging on. Come out the other side.
I wonder if it'd be any better with just a little. Keep it flat. Oh no.
Oh, very tricky little line, I'm not gonna lie. Come on, front, get down. There you go.
Need some tree sliders.
Just a sec. These are awesome fun. Nice, go with it. Watching them fall on a cliff. Nice. Bit of a challenge coming up. Oh, like a glove.
Off camera.
Nothing happened. Nice. Some breathtaking trails. Low and slow. Caught up on something.
Disco lights coming.
Oh, brake, 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 brake! Oh my god! Oh, I changed my mind with that line. Coming on the right hand side, yeah. Even the right hand side's blooming steep. We're attempting the steps, you. Jeez. Oof. Imagine me sat in there. That happened. Oh, no way, nice. Don't know if I'm gonna be able to, I thought this would be the safer line, looking at it now. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh! Too bad. Oh, unlucky. Oh, oh. It's like I don't even have to accelerate by here. I just like letting off. This is a new technique for me. Hopefully my wheel weights will keep my arse end down. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I'm used to climbing the hills. It's a different challenge altogether coming down now.
Yeah, it's hard coming down.
Oh, sorry. Thank God you got that bloody tyre there. That's a nice little line. Yeah, 10 out of 10 for location, fair play. Gorgeous trails. I never had to slam the brakes on so much. Apart from some like unrealistic trails that you know you wouldn't do in real life, these things are handling everything pretty well. And the batteries, well, we've easily been out about 45 minutes now. Yeah, I can take an easy line now.
Let's bring the Disco Express through.
Oh, up.
Straight on the bumper.
Yeah, you can definitely get up there. Oh.
Oh, she's off.
I can see where you're trying to go for, in a way. It's a tricky line.
Yeah, it is.
I'm thinking of getting up. Yes! Still hang up just, there you go. I mean, you're doing things a 50 quid truck shouldn't be doing right now. No way. Go on. Yes! No way. 50 quid truck should not be able to do that, in my opinion. Right, let's take the Armand route. Yeah, no, sorry, the James May route. Oh. Even then, that's the route I had in my mind, somewhere across here. I got a lot more weight to chug up, I have. 4 ounces on each wheel. Trails like these are just dreamy for them.